creativity and resilience of the human spirit. November 1st to 7th, MapsonArts.org, and the Massachusetts Historical Society's virtual Making History Gala, featuring Pulitzer Prize winner John Meacham, GBH's Emily Rooney, November 17th. Tickets at masskiss.org/gala.
It is 6:30. I'm Olivia Waring in for Chris Foss. It's great to be with you this evening. Here's Marco Uccellini's La Faustina with Maurice Steger and the Maurice Steger Ensemble.
Angela Merkel says there's a risk of ICUs simply overflowing if they don't take action, and that's why she has introduced this nationwide set of restrictions. And meanwhile, in France, the President Emmanuel Macron appeared on TV last night. This is a more severe situation for the French. They're getting tens of thousands of cases every day. Half of ICU beds, more than half, are now occupied, they say, by COVID patients. And so President Macron is calling this a new lockdown. He says we have to return to the confinement that stopped the virus in the spring. So not only are bars and restaurants and many other businesses being forced to shut down from tomorrow, but also people across France must stay at home in most circumstances. The difference, the primary difference, I think, with this new French lockdown compared with the first one in the spring, this time schools are going to remain open, and that's a pattern that we're seeing across Europe, that even as case numbers rise and restrictions are tightened, schools in most places are being spared and are continuing to stay open. But yes, Europe in a big way is worried about this, worried about rising case numbers. The President of the EU, though, Ursula von der Leyen, has also warned of a second challenge for political leaders, and she calls that corona fatigue. She says people are becoming tired of restrictions, and indeed there have been a number of protests in Italy after the rules were tightened there.